Please stay tuned for a special announcement at the end of today's video presentation.
No turning red. What the frig are you doing, dude? Stop lines are hard. Die. You're in the red. Are we extending? Yes, we are! He's on the red light. He just ran the red light. He just ran the red light. What the fuck? Jesus Christ, dude. Yeah, what the fuck? That's a red light runner. Again. Somebody hit the low bridge. Oh, hi. What's that for? Said you're a jerk. Okay. Okay. Uh-huh. Yeah. Hello. And next step. Don't you go. Don't you go. You have a red light. You ran a red light. No. You have a red arrow, douche. Douche. Oh, you fucking idiot. Come on. Please. Oh my god. People. Yes. We're in the red. You couldn't cover your friggin' lawn debris, leaf debris, whatever. J.C. Brown's management, thank you. Dive. All I want to do is wash your clothes. I don't want to keep you indoors. Nope, no lane splitting, Mr. Biker douchebag. No passing on the shoulder either. Scumbag. Go. Go. Don't sit there all fucking day. Toyo turd. Thanks. Go! Jesus, he ran the red. God. Green means go, you dick nozzles. do that. I know what you're doing. Don't do it. 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 Nope. You're supposed to do that. Thank you. Scumbag. Scumbag. No lane splitting, you scumbag. Wait, what? Hey, don't fucking hit me, dude. What the fuck? Jesus, what the fuck is your problem? Oh God, they're racing. Crash into each other, hit the abutment. You're supposed to stop with a red arrow. Don't mind me, I'm not here. I gotta go over, I fell. Oh boy. Oh boy, tough guy truck. Jesus Christ, douchebag. No one's impressed. No one at all. Thank you. Exit dive.
Morning as well. Highest rain totals could be an inch or so for Boston and
oh, hi, how's it going?
It's going to be very sticky and quite uncomfortable tonight as well.
Do you mind? Jesus Christ. I'm a blinker lady, for Christ's sakes. Oh look, red light runners. You guess Toyota. Let's not yield. Cut off. Stop sign? The stop sign? Get out of the fire lane. Plenty of parking, get out of the fire lane. Stop at the stop sign. That is the fucking asshole. Speaking of assholes, could you shut off your fucking high beams? Hey, you whatever red. And what the fuck are you doing? Jesus Christ. Are you going to... No? Okay, what? Hello? Yeah. Oh, that was next time. Yield! Hi, kids. Big announcement. Boston Bonehead Drivers is now dead. I'm not. The channel's not. But the series is. I'll still be dash camming, but I've moved on from that. Literally. I'm no longer a resident of Massachusetts. Gosh, I'm sad about that, huh? It's a lot quieter here. Well, not right here, but I don't really live right here. But, you know, there's still boneheads and nitwits and all that. Just not as wildly reckless as they were down there. And I'm not gonna miss them for a second. So, continue watching. I'll continue dash camming. Follow me on Facebook and Twitter and Patreon and LinkedIn and MySpace and whatever else is out there. Because I'm super social. And I'll see you in the next one. The new one. We'll have fun. With a capital F. That's all. Bye. Hi, turkeys. Run like hell.